Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Amirul Alif bin Muhammad Nasir as a presenter today. For our project title is Immersive Visual Reality Training for Performance Test of Patient Monitor. So basically, our project is focusing on biomedical engineering. For this project, this project is aimed to develop an immersive visual reality training system for conducting performance tests on patient monitor using patient simulator. So basically, patient simulator that we use is a Flux Prosim 8. So Flux Prosim 8 is one of the device specifically doing performance tests on patient monitor. So by creating a safe, control and realistic visual environment, this VR simulation improves accessibility and safety performance tests while significantly reducing physical training costs. Here is the problem statement that the reason why we doing this project. So before that, like we can see here is the Flux Prosim 8, the patient simulator that we use in this project. So we using Unity to doing simulation for this project. So for the first one, the problem is the why, because the high cost of traditional training method. And then the second one is the limited access to the patient simulator and hands-on experience. So basically the price of the patient simulator is so expensive. So for this project, we can cut that cost. And then the last one is the safety risk and potential equipment damage of the device that we'll use in the project. Here is the objective for our project. For the first one is to implement an alternative real-world training platform using the Oculus Quest 2 visual reality headset. And then the second one is to develop a performance test simulation that eliminate the medical safety risk by using IEC standard. So basically we're using IEC standard 60601. So the last one is to analyze VR data collection through visual reality performance testing simulation. So without waste our time, let's dive into our project.
This, as we can see, is the view when the user is using our project. So the user must wear a VR headset to play the simulation. Then the POV seen by the user will be displayed on the laptop or external monitor. Before starting the simulation, the user will be displayed the front interface and can click on how to play button. Then the way to do this performance test training will be explained one by one on the display. After the user understands the step, the user can start to do the simulation themselves. So in this project, we can see how long it takes a user to complete the simulation performance test on the patient monitor. The data will also be recorded in the system of this project. So here like we can see is the view in the VR environment when we use it. So in this VR we'll be able to see like the scene of the real world lab room. So here is the Flux Prosim 8 patient simulator that we use. And then this is a patient monitor module. So here is the connector we connect the wire pipe. And then for the first one, we have to click the menu button to select which wire we want to display or appear first to make the connection. So like here is the power cord. So just click, and then the power cord will be displayed. So here the power cord that we use to connect to the patient monitor. So for the flood proceed 8, we no need to use it because we flood proceed 8 using the battery. And then after that we can also choose which wire we want to use it. And then here is the connector to the module. And then the next one is the ECG cable. Okay, here ECG cable is using for the heart rate value, ECG waveform, and respiration. And then the next one is the SpO2 module. Okay, so here is the SpO2 module. So when we want to test the SpO2 value, we need to have SpO2 cable and SpO2 module. So here is the SpO2 cable. So we connect the SpO2 cable to the SpO2 module and then the patient monitor module. And then the next one is the temperature cable or temperature wire. So here is the wire of the temperature that we will use in this project. Okay, for the last one is the box is basically for the NIBP value. So basically in our project we focusing on 5 parameter. First is ECG, second is heart rate, third is SpO2, fourth is the NIBP, and the last one is temperature. That's all. Thank you.